may word na ginamit ng ating saligang batas, particularly describing the place to be searched. Place to be searched, kailangan naka-particular doon sa search warrant ang place to be searched. And thing to be seized. Ibig sabihin, particularly describe kung saan dapat lang pwede mag-search and anong dapat hanapin.
First, ano po ba ang pakahulugan batay sa batas na isa pong search warrant?
Ang search warrant, MJ, order po ito. Order issued by the court. It is an order in writing issued in the name of the Republic of the Philippines or in the name of the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Signed by the judge, commanding a peace officer to search. So may command, may order ang court na to search a particular property in a particular place. So may word particular. So hindi pwede na sabihin ng isang court na pupunta kayo, hanapin mo si MJ Mondihar sa Makati. Hindi pwede ganun. Kasi kailangan particularly describe the place to be searched. Hanapin mo alugugin mo ang bahay ni Juan de la Cruz, hanapin mo ang kanyang cellphone na Nokia 101, for example, ganun. Hindi pwede gawin. Hindi yan pwede kasi may word na ginamit ng ating saligang batas, particularly describing the place to be searched. Place to be searched, kailangan naka-particular doon sa search warrant ang place to be searched. And thing to be seized. Ibig sabihin, particularly describe kung saan dapat lang pwede mag-search and anong dapat hanapin. Hindi pwede na nakalagay doon sa hanapin cellphone, tapos ang hanapin pala, ibang bagay. Hindi pwede kasi particularly describe the place to be searched and particularly describe the thing to be seized. Yun yan.
So, specific siya, Kuya Mark. Hindi siya,
Pag general warrant, it is unconstitutional, it is illegal. So, kailangan specific and there is such thing as particularity with respect sa search warrant. So, particular kung ano yung bagay na dapat kukunin, saan dapat hanapin. So, for example, isang bahay, nakalagay doon, 105 Nara Street. Pero pumunta ka sa 103 Nara Street. Bawal yun. So kung may nakuha kang shabu, for example, sa 103 Nara Street na hindi naman nakalagay sa search warrant, so there is an illegal search. Pag may illegal search, pag may nakuha ka kahit shabu yun, kahit illegal yun, ang tawag doon sa batas, fruit of a poisonous tree.
Yan.
Pag fruit of a poisonous tree, inadmissible as evidence. Kahit na illegal yon, kahit na kontrabando yon, dahil nalabag ang ating saligang batas, nalabag ang criminal procedure, those are considered fruit of a poisonous tree and under the principle of exclusionary rule. Hindi pwedeng gamiting ebidensya yon kasi nalabag po ang ating saligang batas.